Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are taking a look at a package in the Unity asset store called Mountain Racetrack Night. So the overall quality of this is pretty much what you would expect. It is quite a nice asset, I'm not going to lie. I did like the original image on this, and I can see how people would integrate this into a lot of their games, obviously especially a racing game. So if we head to the scene, it has a good old demo scene already made. You know I love that demo scene. If I haven't said it before, I will say it again. The demo scenes really help illustrate what you could do with the asset. So we can see straight away that the whole scene is set up very, very nicely. The track does appear to be quite large, and the quality overall is fairly decent. Remember, this is a free asset. Obviously, you can't argue with free. You really can't argue with free. And at 139 megabytes, that is a pretty decent size for this package. So, yes, overall the quality is quite nice. Just look at the road. It's very nice. I could see myself driving on that. So, yes, I do think with a bit more modification, you could probably come up with something even nicer. You know, I always say that you should modify these assets a little bit. You can customize them. You don't necessarily have to keep them as they are. So, like I say, the example would be taking some of these, models, go into the material, and I don't know, just change the metallic there a little bit, or change it to albedo, or there's the concrete floor that you've changed. Asphalt, you could change that. Let's change the metallic right up, and you can see just how much of an impact it has there. I guess you could even change it to blue or something if you wanted. So yes, I do think it is probably worth customizing this a little bit more than what it comes with by default. But the track itself does seem reasonable. It does seem like something you could use in a racing game quite easily. So quantity wise, yep, there's a fair bit here. We've got a nice neat folder layout as well, which I do like. A couple of models there. We've got some rocks, road signs, whatever you need. Comes with some standard assets for some reason, not 100% sure why, but it's irrelevant, I guess. It's a non-important point. So we've got a couple of textures that you could use, so you could theoretically make your own as well. But like I say, in the way of extras, there's nothing overly extra in this. You get what you see, which is perfectly fine by me. There's enough content in here, I would say. Definitely enough content. Like I say, for free, definitely. So the usefulness of it is quite high, obviously. Like I said, if you're making a driving or racing game or something of that quality, then yes, bit of post-processing on this, and it's going to be absolutely spot on for what you need. It really will be. Even if you're not necessarily creating a game, this could be used as something for a cutscene, I guess. So it has got that ability there to do it. Like I say, a little bit of post-processing would do the trick. So yeah, that's about as far as it goes customizable. It's what you see is what you get, really. So as you guys know, I don't rate packages, or assets I should say. I like to either recommend them or not recommend them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to zoom out quite far, pan up and look down. Now this package is free. It's fairly small. So yes, I obviously would recommend this to anyone who is making any kind of racing game. I would recommend it because it has a nice environment about it to be nighttime, and it's really nice. I mean, look at it. It is quite a large track as well. So I would absolutely recommend this to anyone making a racing game. So guys, have you used this asset? Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and if you've got anything on the asset store yourself, whether it's free or paid, let me know in the comments. We'll try and hook up, and I won't mind reviewing some of these things. Don't forget, click subscribe, click the bell icon as well, and you can stay up to date with everything about video game development on my channel. Guys, thank you very much for watching.